Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nong San Hima.
Sembut Menteri Ramba Kejela ubah Prestone song. Ulaong baka sorkar kalapha ega jingkerpat Syah High Court ban Pyndam Jamin yaga Sonam Raghuvanshi. Ulaong baka sorkar kaya khun persya ega jing Jamin yaga Sonam daga lower court. Ubah Prestone ulagentat ban batai banyak halor kani hendai ulaong baka sorkar kan up yaga rai jong ka High Court. Haka bede kejing keno baka don kejing bakla na ki Pulit ubah Prestone ulaong banakalyang ki Pulit kilapet banyak bha lakalong ka SIT ni kiwe ru. Kumta ula pentik na bakam don kanu Jingbakla na kalyang ki Pulit. Ula ongru baka judan ki jingja bakum kini hiying bishar kawe ka kot kalaban Jamin kawe pat kam ai. Kumta ula ong baya kani an hap up ya karai na ka High Court. Uba Prestone ula kenturu kino ki bayo ki message berngam ni dawa pisa na ka HNLC ni na kino ki kenhun ki deban pentep syaki Pulit kenang bakin tip bat kin le ek berankam. Hakabede bakajingmi ki khobor balese u Dr. Mukul Sangma un penyeso no hak NPP uba Prestone ulaong watla udai u state president ke NPP hendrai umdan jingtep AA shaphang kata shu habede ki jingpha ikino hikai ban net khan Census uba Prestone ulaong bhagbenta baningkong ka shimpor tanglai phosngi bat kani kalai phosngi ru ka shong haki kila bandet saune san yeng hakashisngi hadian balawai school daga jingrap kirang bashno.
Well, right now I should not comment anything on that because we have already appealed to the higher court, to the Honorable High Court. So let the court decide because we contested against the bail, the bail granting done by the lower court. So as I said to you, let us wait and we'll see what the High Court says.
But sir, there have been different allegations against the police. So it's like, it's a moral duty also because police, they have been, they're saying that this cannot be just a clerical error. So is there anything?
No, in fact, from our side, we have tried our best, we have done well. And you know well, even our police officers, be it the SIT or be it anybody, we are all well equipped. Okay? As far as the handling such cases is concerned, procedures, rules, regulation has to be followed one by one. So therefore, there is no such lapses from the police side. As I said, let us see, because see, in the court, it happens this way only. One court maybe they grant bail, the other court may stay the bail petition made. So these are the issues where ultimately, as I said, let the court decide.
So another issue today, the HNLC has been issuing extortion note through WhatsApp group.
Well, I saw, of course, recently also we discussed about this. My only humble request to all those concerned who receive such messages, please don't hesitate to come quietly, file FIR or inform us, even informally. We are there to track it down. And we are here to make sure that everybody are safe, everybody are doing business peacefully. So therefore, any such kind of messages, if they receive, I would request all of them kindly send it immediately to the police station or the police outpost or even to the district headquarters of the police and the state headquarters.
So police can take so much steps to investigate.
Well, that is different issue. What I'm saying, because see, you don't know. Maybe they must have received 2 weeks or 3 weeks back. They kept quiet. They did not share with us. They did not inform us till it came out in the public. So for so moto is different issue. But what I'm saying is those concerned stakeholders, in case if they receive such messages, I would request all of them, don't hesitate. Please don't hesitate. Bring it to scare. Be it NLC or be it a group of thieves or be it any group of criminals. Please don't be scared. We are there and we are firm. We will deal with them very, very firmly from now on.
So another question that is really doing the round, but we are not getting a concrete reply. Is Dr. Mukul Sangma joining the fold?
That I am not aware. Being the president, state president, I'm not aware right now. So since I'm not aware, I think you, I don't know, from where will you ask again this question. But in my level, I'm not aware about it.
There are some concerns from teachers for their deployment for census duty. What is your response?
What is it?
There are some concerns from the teachers.
The teachers. Yeah.
Teachers, they will be
Well, in fact, it is very simple. Very, very simple, let me tell you. See, for this first phase, we have calculated. It takes only 30 days. Only 30 days, the teachers can go to those designated villages where we already assigned. Only 30 days. That 30 days also, it is up to them. You know, because they can work maybe after school, 2 hours, 3 hours. They can go along with the help of the traditional heads, the Rangpashnong and what. They'll go maybe 4-5 houses in a day, another 4-5 houses in a day, because this is about the enumeration. Okay? It's about the enumeration. The form is already there. The prescribed form is already there. Ask, fill up, explain to the citizens of the state. It's very simple. So we have already calculated that it's not that overloaded of work is there. Rather, I should say, there'll be also beneficially, monetarily benefited, because we are also giving them some bonus lump sum amount for 1 month. I think the range is between 15 to 20,000. That is it. So I don't see any problem as of now, because those teachers, and not only that, it's not only from the state government level we did this. This is done because the charge officer is the BDO of the respective block. So the BDO will only engage them after consultation with the Rangpashnong, with the managing committee, and then with the concerned department. So once that is done, then only the order for engaging them in this activity starts.